everyone, you have logged into One India News YouTube channel and this is Mariam. Amid the ongoing standoff between India and China over the Doklam region, a Chinese English language newspaper has offered a unique explanation for the face-off. It says that rising Hindu nationalism in India is responsible for the rift between the two countries. The Daily said that religious nationalism is pushing the two countries into war. Narendra Modi's coming into power has fueled the country's nationalist sentiments to a level that is not healthy, and argued that the Modi government can do nothing if religious nationalism becomes excessive, as depicted in its failure to curb violent incidents against Muslims since he was elected in 2014. The newspaper said Modi took advantage of rising Hindu nationalism to come to power. This, on one hand, has enhanced his prestige and ability to control the country, but on the other hand, has made India more conservative, thus hampering reforms. The border row this time is an action targeted at China that caters to the demand of India's religious nationalists. The news piece further said that regardless of China's call urging India to withdraw its troops that have crossed the border, New Delhi has continued its provocation. The newspaper claimed that India is weaker than China in terms of national strength, but its strategists and politicians have shown no wisdom in preventing India's China policy from being kidnapped by rising nationalism. This will put India's own interests in jeopardy. Well, that's all for now. For more news and updates, please subscribe to One India News YouTube channel.